Champ Barbecuers, welcome back. And we are doing some St. Louis and baby back ribs today on the Weber Kettle with a slow and sear. We got Kingsford in there with some chunks of hickory. The hickory is smelling delicious. And baby backs, we're doing bacon hickory by Pit Boss. Looked and smells amazing. And then on the small rack of St. Louis, I'm going with Mandarin Habanero by Pit Boss as well. I got a big old pack of Pit Boss spices. I got to use up that rub. And why not do it on some pork ribs? They both smell amazing, but this hickory bacon, try it out if you haven't. I haven't tasted it yet, but the smell, whew, rocking. Anyway, let's get down to business. Oh yeah. Cheers. So we've been going about 2 hours on these ribs, and I didn't fill the slow and sear trough with any water. It's just heat, and it's been 2 hours at 250, 260. We're going to spritz with some apple cider vinegar right now. Let's check it out. Smells amazing. Hell yeah. Get the lid back on that guy. All right. And we'll probably be doing up some cornbread as well. Maybe, oh boy. That damn thing. You can adjust the temperature. I'm just too lazy to. Here comes another train. It wasn't supposed to rain till tonight. It's been raining since I got about halfway done with mowing the lawn. And it's still raining hours later. Let's check on them ribs and let's put together simple cornbread. Oh yeah. Let's give a spritz on that. I think I'm going to dash it a little bit more with some of that rub, hickory bacon on the baby backs. And the Mandarin Habanero for the St. Louis. Then spritz one more time, cover it up. I don't know if I'm going to wrap or not. I don't know. We're on 3 hours. Right now would be the time to do it. I don't think so. I think we're just going to let it go. Smells amazing, folks. All right, let's put together that cornbread. Ribs are almost done. I did say I was going to use that Sam sauce, chili, yeah, whatever it is. I was going to use that. But when I open up the pack on that rack of ribs, with the smell from this rub, it smelled hot. I didn't want to add any more heat, so I added that Memphis sweet and spicy. Just a little touch of heat. So anyway, both got Memphis sweet and spicy. Let's check on them. They've been on about a half hour since I pulled them out of the wrap. Smells delicious, let me tell you that. So let's pull these guys. Got good pull back and cut into these. Ooh, look at that bend. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. She's gonna break. Fantastic. Double rack of pork ribs. Can you go wrong? Hell no. Hell no. Let that rest for a little bit. Cut into these guys. Well, there goes the old ink bird. What are you doing, you goofball? You don't even want to hang out? Yeah. Oh, don't want to tell me the temperature no more. I see. I see. Jeez. Hey, ink bird. Still working. Durable. Great. I guess I'm going to add this to my Amazon store. It survived a little bit of a crash. And guess what? It stays outside all the time. I think it was like 18 bucks or something. And there was a coupon. It took it down to like $14 or $15. Yeah, you can't go wrong there. The old ink bird. Rock and roll. I can't wait. Let's get the knife and cutting into this a couple minutes. I know, 10, 15 minutes. You gotta let it rest, all right? Fall apart. Holy. Let's give it a try on the baby back pork ribs. Yeah. Yeah. Try to get some right off the bone. She fell apart, boy. That bacon hickory rub, it's sweet. Although I used a sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. But man, and I use hickory chunks, so maybe it didn't really have that much flavor, but it tastes amazing. Let's get into this hot ass Mandarin Habanero St. Louis rib. Look at that thing. It's got some kick, boy. I'm glad I didn't use that chili sauce. If you got sinuses, this will clear you right up. That's an amazing rub. I used a lot. I doubled it up, but hot damn. That's got kick. That's got kick. And perfectly cooked. Just amazing. I did 5 hours. I did 3.5 hours. Wrapped it for an hour. Took it out. Half hour with barbecue sauce. 250 to 275 the whole way. That rub has got kick. I like hot stuff. That's got some kick. Damn. Alright, folks. That was amazing. Check out my next cook. Cornbread, jalapeno poppers, and some other crazy stuff I put together. Anyway. That's hot. I need a beer. I need to calm the palate. Alright, folks. Catch you later. Oh, subscribe if it's your first time. Hit the thumbs up too, please. Thank you. Awesome.